Gusto mo ba ng 500 QR discount sa braces? And discount up to 50% on all dental services. And additional freebies when you visit Gulf Dental Center. Hello mga ka-Dorabels, ito na nga yung full details ng braces journey ng friend namin. Very welcoming talaga yung ambience dito sa Gulf Dental Center. And they are offering quality yet affordable services. After consultation with Dr. Rohit, you need to undergo cleaning and peeling under the service of Dr. Samina.
Hi, myself Dr. Samina here from GDC Old Airport Branch.
Alam nyo ba, once you avail the orthodontic package, you have pre-consultation, pre-dental cleaning, and pre-panoramic x-ray. Available din dito ang scaling and polishing for only 99 QR. And for the couple, 150 QR. Peeling start at 99 QR, denture start at 350 QR. Normal extraction for only 99 QR. And teeth whitening, blush for only 500 QR. For the zoom is 750 QR. So after nga ng cleaning at composite facing, proceed na tayo sa x-ray. By the way mga ka-Dorabels, si Dr. Rohit ng Abib Branch ang nagkabit ng braces ni Sing. Good news sa mga kabayan kong working sa DFC kasi malapit lang yung branch nila dyan. And for the braces price is starting from 2,500 and payable siya for 12 months. Take note lang, you need to comply with the adjustment date for the best result. And for the appointment, tawag lang kayo sa number nila. Kung gusto mo naman ng voucher discount, mag-message ka lang sa Facebook ko for the mechanics. So ayun na lang muna mga ka-Dorabels. Thank you for watching, for the love and support. Ngiting Gulf Dental Center yan.